Welcome back to another video with your girl, Delshot. As you know, here we talk all things crypto, fun, serious, and everything in between. Today's topic is something a little perfectly crazy. Setting up a crypto wallet for your cat. You might think that I'm joking, but I'm not. If you've ever wondered if your furry friend could join the crypto world and maybe even become a millionaire, stick around because this is going to be wild, informative, and a whole lot of fun. Let's go. Here's the million-dollar question. Can pets legally own crypto? No, they cannot. But there's nothing stopping you from creating a wallet in their name, tracking investments, and having a little fun with it. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need a wallet, and since your cat obviously can't hold a Ledger Nano, you can set up a software wallet. MetaMask is an easy option, or if you want to be super secure, use a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X, and yes, you will have to manage it for them. Now, let's transfer some funds into the wallet, but how much? I'd suggest starting small, maybe $10 or $20 worth of Ethereum or Bitcoin. After all, this is just for fun, not financial stress. Just like any savvy investor, your cat's portfolio needs diversity. I'll throw in some meme coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu because obviously cats love dogs, right? And maybe a stable coin for balance. Who knows? That Shiba Inu might turn into a yacht someday. Now for the fun part, giving the wallet a name. How about Whisker's Crypto Vault or Positive Profits? Okay, I'll stop, but trust me, naming it makes the whole thing feel official. There are tons of portfolio trackers out there like CoinStats or Blockfolio. You can keep tabs on how your cat's wallet performs, and then you can update me in the comments. Maybe we'll celebrate their first $100 gain with some premium cat treats. So, will your cat ever become a crypto millionaire? Probably not, but this little experiment is a reminder that crypto doesn't have to be all stress and seriousness. Have fun with it, explore new ideas, and maybe even involve your pets just for laughs. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto fun. What's the craziest thing you've ever done with crypto? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious, stay crypto savvy, and maybe give your pet an extra cuddle today. Have a good one. Bye.